Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal is looking out for you. The message, PayPal is looking out for you, usually indicates that PayPal has detected some unusual activity onto your account and has taken steps to secure it. This can be a good thing as it prevents unauthorized access. So if you want to fix the PayPal is looking out for you issue, the first thing to do is to open up the PayPal application and then make sure that you verify your identity. Look for additional information on the same screen where you saw looking out for you message, and PayPal will be able to guide you through the verification process as well. Make sure to consider the cause of unusual activity. If you recently logged in from a new device or location, these could trigger security checks. So make sure to wait and retry if the unusual activity resulted from your own actions. Sometimes, waiting for a few hours and retrying to log in can also resolve the issue. If the verification fails, then you can also contact the PayPal customer support. Simply get to your profile page and tap on the Help option. Click on Contact PayPal Support on this Help Center page and go and talk to the customer service representative directly by tapping on the Resolution Center or by clicking on Call Us and making a phone call addressing your problem. So that is how you will be able to fix PayPal is looking out for you issue in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.